Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to make more desktops than one. Okay, so this right here is your number one desktop. This is your desktop right now. Okay, you're gonna go to the bottom of your taskbar, and the third one with the two squares on the bottom. Okay, it's gonna show you desktop one, and then you're gonna hit the next one. Okay, this right here, it just made a second desktop for us. So now you can put whatever you want on here. It's because this is a whole new thing. Okay, so now this is a whole new screen, a whole new desktop. You can open up your applications. The applications that was associated with your number one desktop is no longer associated. Okay, this is desktop two. If you want to go back to desktop one, you're going to go back to that third app on your bottom, and then you're going to go back to your first desktop one, and then boom, here we go. You're on desktop one again. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? And you can have up to three of these. So let's say, one of them you want to go to desktop three. So now we have three desktops on here. But as you can see, we have one, two, and we have the third one here. So we can open up Twitter here. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe, follow on here, AquaTechFantasy. You know what I'm saying? Only 51, sorry, only 31. Aqua gamers in the building, Aqua techies in the building. You know what I'm saying? So definitely follow up, subscribe. But yeah, so we're gonna go back to the first one here, and well, that's how you have more than one desktop. I guess it's kind of strategic if you were doing more than one workspace or work kind of work playing field. But yeah, man, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.